Hello folks, we're gonna cook some moose meat. Was gifted with some moose meat, so we're gonna make a moose meat stir fry. Stay tuned, we're gonna check it out. We got peppers, celery, greens, and we got for dessert cinnamon buns, lemon for cider, and potatoes. We're gonna peel our potatoes. We'll cook our potatoes first, then we'll put our moose meat and vegetables next, and we'll stir it up, moose stir fry, and we'll have some supper. Okay, here's our moose meat that we've been gifted with. Let's check it out, folks. Whoa, it's fresh moose meat. Whoa, that is fresh. We'll use these little ones too. That should be enough. We'll cook it all. Right there, look at that, tender. I say when it's like that, it's good. When it got lots of lines. Yeah. Nice. Good. Tender meat. We'll cook that. And we got some this moose, there's no fat on it. We'll put some fat for some nutrients. Moose fat. We'll put a little in there. Yeah, we'll get started, folks. We'll make our moose stir fry. We're gonna cut our potatoes first, then we'll get it all stir fried. Stay tuned. Okay, we'll start with our potatoes, folks. We'll start with them because it's harder, and it cooks longer, so we'll get it cooking right away. I like cutting it small, thin. Thinner the better. Try to cut thin, or just cut it thin. Look at that. And yeah, we'll make a pile. Yeah, looking good already. One more. We'll get enough cut for the stir fry. There. Feel. All right. We'll put it on 8, folks, and then we'll put some grease for our potatoes. About that much, I reckon. And once we heat it up, we'll turn down how it's cooking, and we'll work that dial. Okay, we're all chopped up. We got our potatoes ready to go. I just had an idea to go like this just now. Just came into my mind all of a sudden. So we'll do that. Things come in my mind and all of a sudden. Ideas. Okay. That was a good idea, I'm thinking. Are you thinking the same? Okay, we'll put it in the grease, ready to go. We put grease in there. We'll try one to test it. Not bad. A little too high. I turned it down. You warm it up, then turn it down. That's what you're doing. Okay, we got a lid if we need it. Just let it cook. Okay, we're gonna start next one. I'm thinking this one. Celery. We'll just use the whole thing. We'll get that ready. I think that'll be good. We'll save this one. We'll take it off and we'll cut it like this, and we put cheese whiz right in there, and you can eat it with cheese. You put cheese whiz in here, folks. It tastes very good. So we'll save this one for cheese whiz. Eat healthy. We'll try this one. What's this? Okay. I'm thinking like that. Okay. Cut it up. We'll get it cut up and then we'll eat it with our moose meat that we're gifted with. Yummy moose meat. Alrighty. We'll try this one here. This way. Yep. Oh, greens in there. Grown in the garden. Okay. Continue. Yeah, I think we got enough. Alrighty. That's ready. We'll put it in a bowl. We'll put it in when the time's right. And now, oh, we forgot some of this greens. We'll put this one separate. This one burned, so at the end you gotta put it in just before you're gonna take it out, just to make it look pretty. We'll put it in. Yeah, we'll leave that on here with the moose meat. Look at real close at that tail. Looks good. With the moose meat. Look at the moose meat, good. Yeah. Okay, look at the greens. Look at the greens. And look at our vegetables here. Our food. Cinnamon rolls. Oh, this is beautiful. They're good. Look, squishy. I was gifted with this too. Someone gave it to me. My auntie. And our Ninja Fryer, it's still hot. We just used it. Okay, we'll start on our moose meat now. Okay, folks, now we're ready for the moose meat. You see this? There's a grain. The grain's going this way. To cut it, you cut with the grain. See, the grains are going this way. If you cut with the grain, so it's not tough when you eat it. You cut it small like that. So, like that. And so and then you cut it like this, very thin. Like that. Very thin. Always with the grain. Remember that with the grain, so it's not chewy. And everyone gets a bite piece. So everyone gets bite pieces. And with the grain, and everyone gets bite pieces. Okay, we'll get the rest cut up and then we'll put it in. Okay folks, we got our moose meat cut up in bite-sized pieces. We got some more extra, we could save that for stir fry. And yeah, and we got our greens ready. So we'll throw it in. Come here. This way. This one's pretty much done. It's all soft. We cooked it too much, I think. And then we'll get our greens in. And then we'll stir fry it up. Whoops. Throw that in. People are starving in the world, as you know. Okay, salt and pepper, we'll get it. Then we'll get our table salt. Put it on there. Sprinkle it on. Put it all in. Okay. Stir fry it again. Oh, look at that. Cooking with Michael style. Gifted with moose meat. Please subscribe, my friends. I love you all. We'll put the greens in after you put them in right now, it burns. They'll burn. You just put it in and cook it in a minute and they won't burn. Okay, we'll put the lid on. We'll let it simmer and we're good to go. Hello folks, our moose meat stir fry is done. We're gonna eat it now. We'll mix it up. Yeah, yummy. There's our moose stir fry. Look at that, folks. And then we'll come over here. We got our little pink plates. This is what I get. I got all 5 girls, so that's what I get to eat on. Pretty pink plates. There's our stir fry. We'll get some meat on there. All right. Stay on there, Tia. We'll show them the finished product. Oh. I'm licking it already. Look at all the salt I got left. That's all they left me. See? That's all those girls left me. Oh, that's enough. Look at that. Hey, they left me enough. Right on. Look at this. Oh, we'll start with the moose meat first. Oh, we'll start with that. Oh, we'll start it off. Oh, yeah. Oh, potato. Right there. Look at that, folks. Potato. Green peppers. No, moose meat, green peppers, potato. We'll put a little green on there for flavor. Look at that. Look at that, folks. It's gonna good. Mmm. Oh, it tastes real good. Yeah. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was educational in some way. And please subscribe, like. It helps the channel. And yeah, cooking with Michael style. Moose meat stir fry. I'm gonna enjoy this. Moose meat. Mmm. It does. It really does taste good. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.